Let's order some food. I want some nuts. Okay, my nuts cost £700 a bowl. Can I have some pretzels? Yeah, mate. Cost £800 a bowl. Oh my god. What? Mushroom soup? And it costs £900 a bowl. Yeah, we know. I'll be right back. The pilot wants to talk to me. Are we nearly there? Yeah. We're 20 minutes away. Good. Will we landing at the airport? Yes.